No. Then, at 3/2 Central, the Plankton Revenge Marathon kicks off, all leading up to the never-before-seen SpongeBob Plankton premiere at 8/7 Central. It's all right here, only on Nick.
We'll be right back.
This time the Krabby Patty will be mine!
Plankton's Revenge, the all-new SpongeBob event, tonight at 8/7 Central on Nickelodeon.
Went down the wrong pipe.
You're 11 months old. Round ball, round hole is a concept that's just beyond your grasp. But a sound sleep will help you work these things out. That's why Pampers Baby Dry has new Koala Fit grips. They hug you and grip up to 2 times stronger and help stop leaks. For restful nights and brilliant mornings. New Koala Fit grips, inspired by babies, created by Pampers.
Ever dreams, ever true, ever cool, ever you, ever power, ever proud. Just say it ever loud.
Every girl is me.
Every girl is.
Ever music, ever books, ever fashion, ever web, ever events. Listen, look, read, wear, play, right, when. Ever more, forever you, coming soon.
Now back to the show. Stick around. We'll be right back.
Spent. Today, I wanted to play. Too much stuff got in my way. School's a rule, but that's still cool. Because at 2:45, I'll be free. But then I got practice, and after that, piano lessons is where I'm at. Finally, I finished. Time was mine. I checked the clock. It was 9:15. I couldn't believe it. The day came and went. I still wanted to play, but my day was spent.
Okay, guys, who's next? Whoa.
I'm doing an experiment you better keep out. A Lilo and Stitch creation's coming out. I'm loving it.
There's one of these Lilo and Stitch toys in every McDonald's Happy Meal.
McDonald's! I'm loving it.
Time us.
Time! Nick.com.
Round up exotic animals down under in the new Australia Wildlife Rescue game, featuring baby animals, family mode, and 15 locations. Own it, only at the Nick Arcade.
So?
8 seconds.
Yes!
Nick.com. Oh.
Now back to our show on Nickelodeon.
Hey everyone, I'm Johnny, and this is Johnny Talk. Installed next to me is voiceover artist and writer Nick.
Daniel Bedingfield and more. It's the follow-up CD to the original Disney Mania, which features superstars like Jessica Simpson, Ashanti, NSYNC, Aaron Carter, Smash Mouth, all taking Disney songs and making them their very own. You can call 1-866-619-1858 to order both Disney Mania and the all-new Disney Mania 2 for $24.98. You won't want to miss either of these hit CDs. That's 1-866-619-1858. Must be 18 or older to call.
Disney Mania 2, because one is not enough.
Cal. Hey, Cal. Will you braid my hair during the show? You will? You'll braid my hair? That's going to be awesome. What's up, Snail?
Snail.
Can't believe you settled on me.
I'm cool. You're right.
Cool. Sure?
Man, I think it's pepperoni. Sweet. I can't wait.
Well, our Krabby Patty premiere party has turned into a pizza party.
Yes.
Not exactly the original plan, but it'll do.
It's been so cool hanging out with you guys for the last 5 hours. Now is the moment that we've all been waiting for. It's the premiere of a brand new SpongeBob. Yeah! I don't let you in here, buddy.
All right, you guys enjoy, and we will see you tomorrow on You Pick Live at 4/3 Central.
Oh.
Same pick time, same Nick channel.
All right, let's get some pizza in there.
No.
Whoa, who ordered the toe jam pizza?
Oh, no.
Dude, you should have seen your faces like this. You're an idiot. Dude, so dumb.
Now, the brand new episode where Plankton finally gets the Krabby Patty recipe, right here on Nickelodeon.
SpongeBob will be right back on Nickelodeon.
What if everyone in the world wore tights? The Fairly Odd Parents Big Superhero Wish, coming February 16th, only on Nickelodeon.
Oh, cool! This is super! Hooks! I'm Phonics! We'll be reading like never before. Reading opens so many doors.
It's an excellent program.
Hooked on Phonics was the only reason he started reading.
Hooked on Phonics can help improve your child's reading ability while gaining more confidence in everything they do. You can call 1-800-ABCDEFG and get your child started for $59.95 and find out about free shipping. Must be 18 or older. Your child will read better in 4 weeks, guaranteed.
Get hooked! I'm Phonics!
You got one, you got more fun.
At Chuck E. Cheese's, one token gets any game or ride, more tickets to win, lots of new prizes.
You got one, you got more fun.
And now you can take your more fun and double it. Just log on to chuckytokens.com or call this number and get a certificate for $5 of free tokens with a $5 token purchase. Must be 18 or older to call or get parents' permission to log on. Chuck E. Cheese's. You got one, you got more fun.
Doubled!
New from Color Workshop. Imagine if you could have the colors of a rainbow in a pen. Well, now you can. It's the Rock Writer, a rainbow of color in every pen. Just think of the artwork you can create, from butterflies to birds of paradise. How about a beautiful sunrise? You can write your name, then make a frame. The Rock Writer has 3 colors in every pen for triple the coloring fun. The best part is that you can create great art with a couple of strokes of your pen. Every kit comes with 6 Rock Writers, each with a different color combination for so many rocking possibilities. We'll include a special detail pen to add the perfect finishing touch to all your art. You can call the number on your screen with your paid order. We'll also include a great instruction and idea book to teach you step by step how to create cool pictures, eye-popping lettering, posters, and signs. This pen rocks! But that's not all. The Rock Writer kit includes a creative station and a carrying case for creativity on the go.
To order your Rock Writer kit for $19.99, you can call the number on your screen. You must be 18 years or older to call. You can call 1-800-219-9988.
Fish.
There I go.
They're just like us. Only flakier.
Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place!
One of them
We're looking for Nemo.
is missing.
Fish are friends, not food.
Walt Disney Pictures presents a Pixar Animation Studios film.
Coming, Nemo!
Hitting. Finding Nemo, rated G.
Oh, my stomach.
Nice.
Now playing on Dish On Demand pay-per-view.
You've got a great feature on your Dish Network system that allows you to personalize your entertainment choices. Locks allow you to keep your children from watching programs you don't want them to see. It's easy. Press Menu on your remote control and select Locks. Simply set a password to activate the locks and those channels won't appear. Locks customize your entertainment for the whole family. It's easy with Dish Network.
Now, back to more SpongeBob on Nickelodeon.
Plankton's Revenge is brought to you by Chef Boyardee. Boy, this stuff is good. Hostess, now that's the stuff. And Nickelodeon.
Oh, not tonight, sweetie. You've had Chef every night this week.
But I love Chef.
What do you want for dinner?
Chef Boyardee. Boy, this stuff is good.
Oh, every Gushers piece is bursting with fruity juice. Let's go! Gushers, taste the blast.
Are you ready for the new Rainbow Art Set? Introducing the brand new Deluxe Kit. Easily make awesome rainbow effects in one simple stroke.
And with the new Rainbow Art Set, you can do more than ever before. Simply move the blocks and change the colors of the rainbow. Every drawing is incredible. Just switch the colors and let your imagination run wild. It's still as easy as dip, dab, and draw. And now you'll also get this awesome Mega Brush. Wow, you can paint all 6 colors at once. But wait, we'll also include the new UV glow-in-the-dark colors. Easily create cool 3D effects and then watch them glow. You get all this for $19.95 on this special TV offer. And ask your operator how you can receive this easy-to-use stencil kit. It's the Deluxe Rainbow Art Set. Here's how to order.
You can call 1-800-927-2273 to order the Deluxe Rainbow Art Kit for $19.95. Must be 18 years or older to call. That's 1-800-927-2273.
By the end of Wednesday night, the secret recipe for the Krabby Patty will fall into the wrong hands. Evil hands.
The Krabby Patty will be mine!
But to pull off a plan this evil, Plankton will need some evil help. So he'll call an evil friend, and they'll 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 call an evil friend. Plankton's Revenge. Catch it again Wednesday at 8:30 p.m., 7:30 Central on Nickelodeon. A gazillion Planktons are more evil than one.